Verifying your account on Razorpay is an essential step to ensure secure transactions and access to all features. Follow these steps to complete the verification process quickly. Step 1. Log into your Razorpay account. Visit the Razorpay website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email and phone number linked to your account. Step 2. Navigate to the verification section. Once logged in, go to the Settings or Profile section of your dashboard. Look for the account verification option to begin the verification process. Step 3. Provide required documents. Prepare the necessary documents for verification, which typically include your business registration documents, PAN card, and bank account details. Upload these documents as prompted. Step 4. Complete KYC process. Follow the instructions to complete the Know Your Customer KYC process. This may involve filling out additional forms and confirming your identity through OTP sent to your registered phone number. Step 5. Wait for approval. After submitting your documents and completing the KYC process, wait for Razorpay to review your application. You will receive a notification via email or SMS once your account is verified. Once you have completed these steps, your Razorpay account should be verified, allowing you to utilize all the platform's features effectively.